As an immigrant, as a female young founder in Cyprus, was it ever
All
tough?
difficulties in one. It was much more difficult to get the investment if you're a female, Russian passport holder, startupper, because first of all, they really trust less to women. They don't really believe that they can deliver the same amount of effort. They still comment on very weird things when you talk with them. And then when you already found someone, it can be even a female investor, she can tell, I will pass because you're a Russian passport holder, it might be risky for the next your expansion plans. And you're like, okay, thanks. Now we're not fighting the female part, we're fighting the nationality.